is Yasman Official, and today I am going to talk about a car which can overpower even an F1 car. I am talking about the Rodin F0, a hypercar which front only produces 348 kg of downforce and a 4 airline custom made V10 producing more than 1500 horsepower, and the builder Rodin Decker says that it can outperform even an F1 car. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get news about cars like this.